Setting up a small network. How to set up a small network? This depends on assessing your needs, considering your preference, and allocating your budget. You need to identify your requirements in terms of hardware, software, and internet connection. You need to make a decision whether to use wired connection or go wirelessly. You have to decide your networking strategy, whether client-server or peer-to-peer strategy. You need to identify the way you are going to secure your network. And finally, you need to allocate the budget for necessary purchases. Assumptions. We have about 10 computers, whether desktop, laptop, or tablet, and other peripherals such as printer or scanners that have to be hooked up to the network. Client-server strategy is going to be used for networking, so as data storage, application, and file sharing, communication, and security are managed centrally. Wired and wireless connections are allowed. Hardware requirements. Computer devices such as desktops, PCs, laptops, and tablets. Peripherals such as printer and scanner. Network interface cards. These cards are required to enable devices to connect to the network. Network interface card will be required for devices that are not equipped with built-in network interface card. Server is used to manage application, data storage, communication, and network security. Switch will be used to link devices to the network. Network cables are required for wire connection. Wireless access point will be used to link devices wirelessly to the network. Modem, router, and telephone line are required for internet connectivity together with an internet service provider account. Software. A firewall is required to protect your network from hackers. Antivirus and anti-spyware are required to protect your system and data files from malware. An email account is used to send and receive electronic mail. A web browser to access web pages. Setting up a small network. LAN setup. Connect cable devices to the switch using network cables. Plug cables on one end into network interface card on the device and the switch ports on the other end. WLAN setup. Link a wireless access point to the switch to allow wireless devices to join the network. WAN setup. Set up an account with Internet Service Provider. Connect the router to one end of the telephone line or the cable line and plug the other end to the telephone or cable box. Get an internet connection installed from the Internet Service Provider to your location. Connect the router to the switch to link the LAN with the Internet. Install and configure software, firewall, antivirus, anti-spyware. Configure web browser for each device to access the Internet. Set up email account for users. Install common software onto the server. Set up privileges so that user may access their own area or common shared area.